If you're using any of these 5 apps in Adobe, there's a brand new button that you need to be aware of. And yes, this video is sponsored by Adobe Express, but let's dive in and take a look what this new button actually is. So you're just done editing your video in Premiere Pro and you think to yourself, I need to do a thumbnail. So you're going to come over, you're going to click on the home button, and then underneath the home button, there's this new built-in integrated templates button. And this is going to allow you to then pick and choose and select from one of the many templates inside of Adobe Express. So let's say we want to search in here, YouTube, thumbnail, photography. Okay, we're just going to click on that. We're going to look for a video or a thumbnail that we want to choose. I quite like this one, and it's going to give you some other suggestions underneath of some other templates that you might want to use. But let's open this up in Adobe Express, and now we can come in here and update this with our images that we've taken and design our thumbnail. Also in here you do have the option to import from other apps. So if you just click on the quick actions option up there, you can then come down and import your designs, your photographs that you've been working on in Photoshop or in Adobe Illustrator or InDesign. You can then import those into your Adobe Express template or design that you're wanting to create. Adobe Express Premium is included in your membership at no additional cost. You'll get access to all of the premium fonts, templates, and design assets, all just simply by clicking on that button. Let me know down in the comments, is this a feature you're going to be using? I'd love to see what you are creating. Let me know down in the comments what you think.